Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals lag and high FPS to boost your performance. This is going to be a very easy video, so make sure to watch until the end, like and subscribe if you find it useful. Simply you're going to go to the top right button where it says the settings and then go and click right there. Now that we are on the display settings, we have a lot of settings to go through. First of all, you're going to make sure that the display mode is going to be set to full screen, which is the best mode for giving the highest performance. Then you're going to go to the anti-aliasing and then make sure that this is set to NVIDIA if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. If not, then switch it to AMD FSR. Now, for the quality, make sure that super resolution mode is set to normal quality or performance, because performance would be the best one. Super resolution, you can make it to 75. And then low latency mode, you can keep this like it is. Then from here, you're going to show your FPS just to keep track with it, and then to optimize your settings. Now for the graphics, you're going to click this optimize settings right here, and now we have a lot of graphics to go through. So the first one, the global illumination, you're going to set it to off. And then for the reflection, you're going to set it to off as well. And then for the post-processing, you're going to set that to low. Shadow, you're going to set it to low. And finally, the effects detail, you're going to set it to low. Those won't affect the visual style, but they will affect the performance a lot in the game. Now, after you have done all of these, let's do some settings in the computer itself. Now, once you close the game, go to the Marvel Rivals, go to Properties, and then Installed Files, Browse, and then from here, you're going to copy this folder address. Then you're going to close everything, go to the Windows, and search for Graphics. Once you go to the Graphics settings, you're going to browse a new application, and you're going to paste Ctrl-V, the address right here, and then you're going to add the Marvel Rivals launcher. And then from here, you're going to go to options, and then you're going to set it for high performance, and then save. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.